Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Pardon for the situation here inside the Manila Cathedral. We are preparing for the inaugural of our pipe organ come this Friday. And please do join us in praying for a successful event and also join us as we welcome once more the voice of the majesty of this pipe organ. Today's readings, my dear brothers and sisters, would like to draw us to this fundamental or basic question not only in daily life but also when we live up our Christian practices and even principles. To whom we stand for and to whom we are faithful to. Kung para o kanino tayo maninindigan o para o kanino tayo tapat. At madalas, ang mga katanungang ito ay nabibigyan ng pagbabalanse o these things are even tried when benefits left and right would come. When choices will also be there left and right. When fame, when glory is also offered to us left and right. Kanino kaya tayo papanig? Kanino kaya tayo magiging tapat? And we have a beautiful story in our first reading today from the second book of Maccabees. We look up to the courage, to the principle, to that paninindigan, to that katapatan of the mother and of her children. Antiochus was even offering a great future, a bright days ahead for the younger one. And we heard how the younger one refuted, turned back to that call or to that invitation. Alam niya kaninong manindigan at alam niya kung kaninong maging tapat. Sa Diyos lamang. Kahit na may mga ganitong bagay, kahit na may mga ganitong bulong o alok, sa Diyos lamang ako kakapit, hindi sa iyo, Hari. And even the servants in today's gospel to which Jesus lovingly shared to us, the servants who gained the talents or the coins, thought to himself that even though there are many people around me who would not want this man to be king, I shall still know so well that I am standing for this king, I am faithful to this king, so that I can also serve and multiply these talents he shared to us. My dear brothers and sisters, let us take notice of the many voices, the many offers, the many things people would wish to lay down to us. Gaganda ang buhay mo kapag ako ang sinundan mo. Dadami ang iyong kayamanan, yayaman ka kapag ginawa mo ito. At madalas hindi lang po ito dumadating bilang isang alok, minsan tukso na din ito. At kapag dumadating ang mga bagay na ito, when things or these offers come to us as mere offers and also ultimately now as temptations, I ask the question to you and to me. To whom are we to stand firm? To whom are we to be faithful in this life? Kanino tayo maninindigan? Kanino tayo magiging tapat? Sa lahat ng mga bagay na ito, isa lang po sana ang maging malinaw. Kay Jesus tayo magiging tapat. Kay Jesus tayo maninindigan. There will be many voices pretending to be good ones, but later on will be bad ones. But to Jesus, to Him alone belongs all our principles, all our paninindigan, and to all of our faithfulness.